Chef Joseph Yacino, Yada Chef. I'm cooking out of Kitchen 953, Fort Lauderdale and Broward's #1 shared professional kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to do a stuffed Grecian chicken that has feta cheese, has spinach, and that's about it. It's quick, it's easy, it's good for you. I call it doing it the Yada way. I'm laying down the feta cheese. And feta cheese is a sheep's milk cheese. Most of it originally comes from Greece. They now have some great ones that are made here in the United States. They even have some feta cheeses that are made from goat cheese, which is really, really good. Gives it a little bit more of a tang than what the sheep's milk does, but it's still really fantastic. So what we're doing is we put that just down the middle. Then you fold your chicken breast over like this. Just give it a squeeze, like this. A little bit more pepper on the outside. A little bit of salt. You don't need much because feta's salty. And then we are going to put this into the oven. It's going to bake at 375 for about 15 to 20 minutes. The internal temperature should end up reading, if you have an instant read thermometer, about 165 degrees. All right, the chicken was in the oven at 375 for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can see it's all set. Here you go. This is a Grecian stuffed chicken. It has feta cheese, spinach, and that's how easy it is. I'm Chef Joseph. Thanks a lot for watching.